Am I losing you? No? Let's get right into it. So, SIAM technology gives IT teams the ability to successfully apply their network security protocols while being able to quickly react to any potential threat. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. So we're moving more and more to cloud, the cloud, right? So I thought it would be appropriate for us to talk about cloud security. This story is courtesy of IBM. We're about to start. So here is an overview of cloud security, right? Cloud security is a collection of procedures and technology designed to address external and internal threats to business security. Organizations need cloud security as they move toward their digital transformation strategy and incorporate cloud-based tools and services as part of their infrastructure. The terms digital transformation and cloud migration have been used regularly in enterprise settings over recent years. While both phrases can mean different things to different organizations, each is driven by a common denominator: the need for change. As enterprises embrace these concepts and move toward optimizing their operational approach, new challenges arise when balancing productivity levels and security. While more modern technologies help organizations advance capabilities outside the confines of on-premise infrastructure, transitioning primarily to cloud-based environments can have several implications if not done securely. Striking the right balance requires an understanding of how modern-day enterprises can benefit from the use of interconnected cloud technologies while deploying the best cloud security practices. So, what is cloud computing? The cloud, or more specifically, cloud computing, refers to the process of accessing resources, softwares, and databases over the internet and outside the confines of local hardware restrictions. This technology gives organizations flexibility when scaling their operations by offloading a portion or majority of their infrastructure management to third-party hosting providers. The most common and widely adopted cloud computing services are IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, which is a hybrid approach where organizations can manage some of their data and applications on-premise while relying on cloud providers to manage servers, hardware, networking, virtualization, and storage needs. We have PaaS, which is platform as a service, gives organizations the ability to streamline their application development and delivery by providing a custom application framework that automatically manages operating systems, software updates, storage, and supporting infrastructure in the cloud. Next, we have SaaS, which is software as a service, which is a cloud-based software hosted online and typically available on a subscription basis. Third-party providers manage all potential technical issues such as data, middleware, servers, and storage, minimizing IT resource expenditures and streamlining maintenance and support functions. Am I losing you? No? Let's get right into it. So, why is cloud security important? In modern-day enterprises, there has been a growing transition to cloud-based environments and IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS computing models. The dynamic nature of infrastructure management, especially in scaling applications and services, can bring a number of challenges to enterprises when adequately resourcing their departments. These as-a-service models give organizations the ability to offload many of the time-consuming IT-related tasks. As companies continue to migrate to the cloud, understanding the security requirements for keeping data safe has become critical. While third-party cloud computing providers may take on the management of this infrastructure, the responsibility of data asset security and accountability doesn't necessarily shift along with it. By default, most cloud providers follow best security practices and take active steps to protect the integrity of their servers. However, organizations need to make their own considerations when protecting data, applications, and workloads running on the cloud. Security threats have become more advanced as the digital landscape continues to evolve. These threats explicitly target cloud computing providers due to an organization's overall lack of visibility in data access and movement. Without taking active steps to improve their cloud security, organizations can face significant governance and compliance risks while managing client information, regardless of where it is stored. Cloud security should be an important topic of discussion regardless of the size of your enterprise. Cloud infrastructure supports nearly all aspects of modern computing in all industries and across multiple verticals. However, successful cloud adoption is dependent on putting in place adequate countermeasures to defend against modern-day cyber attacks. Regardless of whether your organization operates in a public, private, or hybrid cloud environment, cloud security solutions and best practices are a necessity while ensuring business continuity. So what are some of the challenges in cloud security? So number one, we have lack of visibility. So it is easy to lose track of how your data is being accessed and by whom, since many cloud services are accessed outside of corporate networks and through third parties. We have number two, we have multi-tenancy, which is public cloud environments house multiple client infrastructures under the same umbrella. So it's possible your hosted services can get compromised by malicious attackers as collateral damage when targeting other businesses. Number three, we have access management and shadow IT. So while enterprises may be able to successfully manage and restrict access points across on-premises systems, administering these same levels of restrictions can be challenging in cloud environments. This can be dangerous for organizations that don't deploy bring your own device policies and allow unfiltered access to cloud services from any device or geolocation. Here are the types of cloud security solutions that are available to help us, right? We have IAM, right, which is Identity and Access Management. So, identity and access management tools and services allow enterprises to deploy policy-driven enforcement protocols for all users attempting to access both on-premise and cloud-based services. The core functionality of IAM is to create digital identities for all users so they can be actively monitored and restricted when necessary during all data interactions. Two, we have data loss prevention, also known as DLP. So DLP services offer a set of tools and services designed to ensure the security of regulated cloud data. DLP solutions use a combination of remediation alerts, data encryption, and other preventative measures to protect all stored data, whether at rest or in motion. Next, we have security information and event management, also known as SIEM. So, security information and event management provides a comprehensive security orchestration solution that automates threat monitoring, detection, and response in cloud-based environments. Using artificial intelligence, also known as AI-driven technologies to correlate log data across multiple platforms and digital assets. So, SIAM technology gives IT teams the ability to successfully apply their network security protocols while being able to quickly react to any potential threat. So that is a little bit of cloud security. We are moving more and more to the cloud, so I thought it would be best to provide this information for you. So let's get the conversation started. What are some more ways we can protect organizations and ourselves from cloud security threats? Let me know. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.